as they say in Australia, g'day, 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 g'day. We are heading into the hydraulic pits. And Gary's driving very fast because I think he has to pee. And if you wonder why we go to the hydraulic pit this time of year, it's because it's 49 degrees here and 100 plus in the valley. Well, he's going over the edge on more ways than one. And he's off for the big gold. I have yet to tell him what the fee is for using the Vac Pac. Let me tell you, the bugs are off the hook today. It's just crazy. Well, enough screwing around. How you get the metal detector going so we can get on the board. Well, my first 3 targets, you guessed it, plenty of nails. I should know better. Be working in the shade, not in the sun. But not me. I'm out in the sun. Hopefully it pays off. So far, nothing. Well, I raked this spot. What do you think? I like it. Let's dig it. Sounds good to me. Maybe it's over here. All right. I lost it. Now it sounds like crap. Part of a nail. Nailed it. All right, another area I raked. Got it. I'm hoping it's this piece, and it's not. This piece. We've got gold right there on the end. Nice piece. I usually don't break the conglomerate off out here in the field, but I was a little hot, so I decided I'd sit down and clean it up a little bit. Well, let's see if we can find him another one. No skunks for me today. So I've raked 3 different areas. One, no more targets at. The second one had that part of a nail. And the third area, piece of gold. So now we're gonna finish going over area number 3, and then we're gonna rake area 2 and 3 again. Area 1 is way out in the sun, and it can stay till either late today or next trip. Well, I had 2 targets. Let me show you the first one here. First target, nice big square nail. And target number 2, piece of gold. So you got to dig all targets. You got to get that out of the way to find that. It's that easy. And I'm going to say that one more time. Well, no more gold yet, but I did get that. If you know what it is, leave a comment. Look who I found. He's moving pretty slow. Well, how was it?
I lived. I got gold.
Well, Gary's got to go back down again because he left his snuffer bottle down there. And I'm going for a nice long hike. Actually, I'm going to go check out some areas that I haven't been to before. Maybe there's gold there. We shall see. Piece number 3. It was very faint. And then it got very loud. All right, let's get back at it. It's not a whopper, but it's a piece of gold. It was pretty faint. And I had to use the pan to find it, but we got it. Number 4. So, you find the snuffer bottle?
Yep. And I got down there, turned my metal detector on, had a good sounding target, and the battery immediately went dead. I had to go all the way back up to the Jeep, get another battery. If I hadn't got a target, I would have said, and just went back to the Jeep. But I went up, got a battery, came back, but I did get a piece of gold.
But was that target a piece of gold?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Small piece of gold, but it was gold. And now I'm gonna get drunk. I think I found 3 more pieces.
So, how many trips did you make back and forth? 4?
1, 2, 3.
If he takes his
4,
shoes off, we're in
5,
trouble.
6 trips.
6 trips.
Yeah, I'm tired.
See what Gary's been up
2,
to.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the little bitty ones don't count.
He says 8. Looks like 8 to me. Well, he's trying to get into dig gold right now. So let's take a look.
Yep, friggin' hot rock.
Hot rock honing strikes again. End of day hot rock, that's him.
Yeah, I got into a hot rock.
Well, I got 4 pieces. He's got 8. We don't know who got into day gold.
Yep, we're calling that one a draw.
We tried and we tried and we checked the new spot and we checked some old spots. Flat iron.
Jeff got screwed.
And I got a big screw. So we're heading down the hill, hoping to get to the store to get an ice cream before they close.
Or find a new spot.
And we're scouting for a new spot. Gary just got recognized. #1 fan. Good day. We'll show you the gold at the weigh-in. All right, let's weigh my 4 monsters. .56. Over half a gram. Not gonna complain. All right, let's weigh Gary's biggest piece, detecting. .85. And then the rest of it from his detecting trip down the hill. 1.8. Vac Pac trip, just 1 or 2?
This is number 2.
Okay, Vac Pac trip number 2, 1.39. And Vac Pac trip number 1, 2.65 grams. Not bad. Not bad at all. And you know, the fee for the Vac Pac was 2.65 grams. So that worked out good for you.
Yes, well, so I only owe you.
So Gary ended up with 5.91 total for the day. Not bad. Not bad at all.